If you want to add some color distortion video effects using CapCut Editor app and of course make your video stand out a bit more on the awesome side, here's where you can go to add this video effect. So if you want to make your video go from this boring view here to something awesome, go into the effects section right there of CapCut Editor and go to where it says video effects right here. Once in this section here, you'll browse over and look for the one that says glitch, okay? There's plenty of awesome ones here, and this one here in particular is called the color distortion, okay? Once you select that option here, you'll have this special effect here on your video. So now that you have selected that there, you can go and pull this to play across the entire video or onto the section you want it to play onto. Now with all that said and done here, once you set it up here, you can press play and you should have this special effect on your video. You can also go back into the effects section here, tap on this and also adjust it to the intensity, atmosphere, also maybe change the color if you want it to something else. You can see that it goes from blue to orange, green, yellow, and all that stuff here, all right? And then just press the check mark once you're done and you are good to go. Like and sub.